This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's January 7th, 2020. This one here I got a call for, I guess he says I worked over there before. He says his oil burn is tripping off on safety every day, every couple of days, so it's been a while since it's been serviced, I think. I don't remember this guy, but maybe once I get there I'll remember it. So we'll go over there and see if we can find anything. Usually if it's been a while since it's been a service, I'm just a nozzle and, in the head, cleaning the head, check the oil flow and make sure we got good spark and not excess air going in there. A lot of times they'll take care of it, but not always. I mean, it could be the motor, could be the pump acting up at times. I mean, sometimes it's not always cut and dry to find these issues. Every so often you come across one that's can be a little bit of a pain in the butt, But we'll go over there and we'll give it the once over and see if we can find anything that sticks out that could be an issue. Usually when it's tripping out like that every day, I mean, that's usually oil or spark. Oil flow or spark issue. I'll try to get you some shots. It's a little chilly here this morning. It's about 35, gonna be like 40 degrees. It's been a crazy warm winter this year. No snow so far. I don't know if we're even gonna get any snow this year like last year. Just a little bit. I don't know. I'm ready for the snow if it comes, but I don't know if it's going to come or not. Miss Molly, you got your little outfit, you got your sweater and your coat on today? Yeah? Got the truck warming up for Molly. You want to drive? Oh yeah, I know you love driving. You love driving, yeah, you love driving. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots. Wow, look at that tank. Holy shit. I ain't touching that. Look at that. Little protected oil line. Wow. No thanks. Holy shit, man. No way.